In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to download and install DirectX on your PC. The first thing you will do is click on the link in the description to be redirected to this site, the official DirectX download site. Once you're on the official DirectX download site, find and click the download button. After the download is complete, open the file named dxwebsetup.exe. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your screen. On this screen, click Accept the agreement and then click Next. Uncheck the box on the following screen and click Next again. The installation will now begin. This process is quick and only takes a few minutes, so let's wait until it's finished. Done. DirectX successfully installed. Once the installation is complete, you've successfully downloaded and installed DirectX on your PC. And if you already had DirectX installed, this process updated it to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you download and install DirectX on your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.